Woodworking is more than just cutting and joining wood, it's about precision, problem solving, and creativity. In today's project, we're taking on one of the most common yet challenging situations in carpentry: non-right angle walls. In many older homes or custom-built spaces, walls don't always meet at perfect 90-degree angles. This can make fitting boards, panels, or trim a real challenge. But with the right approach, even the toughest corners can be mastered. Here, the carpenter carefully measures each section, accounting for irregular angles. Instead of relying solely on a tape measure, he uses a bevel gauge to capture the exact slope of the wall, ensuring a snug and seamless fit. Another trick is pre-marking and test-fitting each piece before final installation. This not only saves time but also prevents costly mistakes. The same attention to detail applies to joining boards. Precise cuts and solid joints mean the structure will last for years. Beyond angle work, the video also showcases a collection of practical woodworking hacks, quick marking methods, efficient tool handling, and ways to reduce material waste. These skills are the hallmark of a master craftsman, small actions that lead to big improvements in the final result. Whether you're working on a home renovation, building custom furniture, or simply learning new techniques, these tips will help you work smarter and achieve professional quality results. Remember, in woodworking, precision is everything, and with the right skills, no wall is too tricky to handle.